Hey everybody, I'm Hugh Brownstone for The Three Blind Men and an Elephant. And today I want to announce my 2019 audio product of the year. And yes, I know it's only April, but barring unforeseen reliability issues or another product beyond my imagination, frankly, arriving before year end, this little guy, the Rode Go wireless system, just blew away every other lav system out there for all but the most complex, demanding filmmaking scenarios. It accomplishes this in 4 ways. 1, size and weight. And this thing is just incredible. Rode's own RodeLink Filmmaker set tips the scales at 376 grams with 4 AA batteries. Sony's UWP D11 system comes in at 368 gram with the same batteries. Sennheiser's G4 series is 356 grams, same batteries. Sennheiser's AVX with custom rechargeable and swappable batteries is just 218 grams. Now, the RodeLink, the UWP, and the AVX tied for my audio gear of the year last year. But the Rode Go kit with built-in rechargeable batteries weighs 62 grams. 1/6 the weight of the Filmmaker or UWP, 1/3 the weight of the AVX. 2. Price. The AVX with the ME2 Mark II Lav is $700. Now, I think it's worth it because it eliminates the need for a rig altogether, working perfectly with our XLR mic adapter on our GH5. The Sennheiser G4 with the same lav is $600, and it became our go-to in the Batcave here, not with the lav, but with the MKE 600 shotgun and wireless plug-in transmitter sitting above us. The Sony UWP D11 with lav was our go-to when it was just me and had to pack most efficiently on location because it is significantly smaller than the RodeLink. The RodeLink Filmmaker with lav is $400. A pair of them was our on-location go-to until the AVX. Now, Sennheiser has the XSW with lav. That's $350, which 3 weeks ago made the XSW pretty much a no-brainer for us as the cost-effective alternative to the AVX, giving us the same tech and direct plug compatibility with the XLR mic adapter. But then Rode announced the Go, and it's already shipping. I just bought 2 of them. It's $200 with built-in mic. So yeah, you can attach any lav mic to it, but for trade shows where time is of the essence, the built-in mic simply redefines the standard for quick setup and takedown. Unless you tend to wear turtlenecks. 3. Technology. Like its older brother, the RodeLink kit, and both the Sennheiser AVX, which is now our favorite lav system, relegating our RodeLinks to a drawer because of the AVX's superior compactness and outstanding auto gain technology, and Sennheiser's brand new but not yet widely available XSW, the Rode Go uses spread spectrum technology. This allows them to automatically hop to a clear channel the moment they detect any interference. No scanning beforehand, no need to worry about channels and banks, storing them in memory, constantly monitoring for interference, yada, yada, yada. You just turn them on and go. That's how they got the name. Not bad. In fact, the AVX marked a return for us to Sennheiser, having swapped out our G2 100 systems for a pair of Filmmaker kits years ago for this very reason. For what we do, and at the distances we do them, this tech, spread spectrum, frequency hopping, is not only simpler, but it's better. 4. Ease of use. Now, I've been waiting to get my hands on the Sennheiser XSW. Call it a compromised version of the AVX system. Compromises, I should add, I anticipated I'd be happy to make because of the same high audio quality and compact footprint of the AVX at half the price. I just wanted to see for myself. But the question is, what are those compromises? Well, while the AVX system operates in the less crowded 1.9 gigahertz spectrum, has removable, swappable, longer-lasting rechargeable batteries, and both an LCD panel and a series of status LEDs to tell you what's going on, the XSW system uses built-in rechargeable but non-swappable batteries of shorter duration, a single LED on the transmitter and another on the receiver to tell you everything, and operates in the much more common 2.4 gigahertz spectrum. The Go operates in that same 2.4 gigahertz spectrum. But while you already now know the Rode Go is a lot smaller and less expensive than even the XSW system, what you also need to know is that it has a much more informative interface than the XSW, and that's the kind of thing that reduces our stress levels in the field, and that is a big deal. And while the Go doesn't have the automagic gain of the AVX, and I don't know if the XSW does either, it does offer 3-position gain control, more easily accessible than the same function in the filmmaker kits, where you actually have to open up the battery door to get to those switches, and in order to do that, you have to remove it from the cold shoe. In practice, the Go is so small, so buttoned up, and so simple to operate, with a purported 7 hours of battery life, that you can use it to address the Achilles heel in our use, and we do use it, of an iPhone with the DJI Osmo Mobile, or for others of you out there, the even more petite DJI Osmo Pocket, which is high quality wireless audio. It even looks like it might allow us to leave the XLR mic adapter at home. The downside of the Go, well, for most of us, that's apparent only if you find yourself in a situation where you don't have time to recharge the batteries between back-to-back interviews over the course of a day, or are unwilling to power them through the USB cable while they're running, because, yeah, that does add bulk, the bête noire of the entire raison d'etre of the Go system, and yes, I've got Notre Dame on my mind, sorry. What about sound quality? Well, what do you hear? Bottom line, as I said, I bought a pair of these at full retail the day they became available, and I'm happy. Again, subject to having these out in the field for a few months in the real world, so that we have time to find the gotchas if they're there. This, the Rode Go Wireless, is the lav kit to purchase in 2019 for 99% of us, 99% of the time. Rode, guys, kudos. That's it. If you like what you've seen here today, please give a thumbs up, subscribe, join the conversation below. You guys continue to be just incredible, knowledgeable, inspiring, funny. I mean, you're a joy, truly. Follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Grab one or both of our new Hold That Thought t-shirts you wanted us to put up at our new 3BMEPthreadless.com store. Support our work by using our affiliate links down below in the show notes, dropping us coffee money via our PayPal link down below in the show notes, or even better than that, we invite you to become a patron of our work over at Patreon. Link down below. We've created our Patreon page because we are stoked to bring you not only gear reviews, but with our What Were You Thinking and Good World Gone Bad series, historical, educational, artistic morsels, and longer form conversations, not interviews, with world-class photographers, curators, gallery owners, keepers of the legacy, folks like Elliot Erwitt, Agnès Cyr, Mark Lubell, Etheline Staley, and friends like Brian Smith, Paul Giroux, Nino Rakicevic, and more. We'd really like you to join us to deliver this kind of content regularly. Your support on Patreon will really help us ramp it up. In which case, as always, we thank you for it. That's it. For 3 Blind Men and an Elephant, I'm Hugh Brownstone. See you next time.